Okay, hello chat. Happy weekend to everyone. So today we wanna look on our market focusing on BTC. We wanna see what BTC has been doing lately. So on BTC, we have been in an uptrend. We have been in a bullish momentum. As you all can see, we have been having the break of structures and break of structures pushing to the upside. And we recently had the pullback. So BTC is doing a pullback, and where is this pullback heading to? Where is BTT? Where are the probability or the areas where you look at BTC to turn like a turning point? So on BTC, as you all can see, here we had the this is on the weekly time frame. After BTC gave us this breakout, we had this market breakout here, which can also act like a market structure shift on the weekly time frame, and you can see price pull back to this area. So this area now reacts like a breaker block. That price came back, tap in our analysis, as you can see, and this is a big pull to the downside. So this is the weekly time frame, as you all can see. So imagine holding this trade for like 3 weeks on BTC, you'll be in massive profit. So what is the aim why we came here? As you can see, we have internal range liquidity, fair value gap, price come in, collect, come down. So where is my interest? My interest is to look at price reaction at this low, because this low now is reacting as a key level. So you want to see, is price gonna break that low? If price is gonna close below this low with a candlestick body, if we have a close like this with a candlestick body below this low, then we need to start anticipating for more price, for more down price, for price to push more to the downside. So if we are to see something like this below this low, then we need to be expecting more push to the downside. But if we can see a rejection, if we can see price rejecting, if you can see price rejecting this low, if I can see price rejecting this low, then I'll be expecting a push to the upside. So according to our analysis, 1 minute guys. So yeah, so we are still looking at price haven't reached our key level yet. Price haven't arrived on the key level, so we want to go now to the daily time frame. So going now to the daily time frame, as you can see, price is still pretty much bullish, bearish. Sorry, as you can see, price is pretty much bearish, because after price came and took out this key level, price came down, gave us change in structure, come back, collected liquidity at this breaker block and pushed to the downside. So as you all can see, price is aiming this low. So this low now reacts as our key level where we want to see price. So on BTC, on BTC, I'll actually be looking at more sell opportunity in the market on BTC. So at this area now, you all can see this is on the 1 hour time frame. On the hourly time frame, I'll be expecting BTC to give us some pullbacks. Yeah, I'll be expecting some pullbacks. I, we have this breaker sleeping here, so I'll be expecting some pullbacks. Yeah, we'll be expecting a pullback, take that level, and then hit the target. Then from our key level, we will now be expecting the next move, if BTC is going to continue selling or BTC is going to turn and start buying. So as you all can see, this is on the 15 minute. On the 15 minute, we had this rejection. We had this price rejecting this area, and you can see price is trying to push bullish. So price can likely come to collect this key level sleeping around here, because price collected this 15-minute fair value gap already. So this was a key level that price collected this 15-minute fair value gap. Price came, took out the fair value gap and pushed to the downside. So now where is the next key level? The next key level slips around here, so we're expecting to see price reacting at that key level. So this is the view I'm having on BTC. This is my view I'm having on BTC, and let me check on the view on let us check on maybe EU. EU lately, I can really say EU lately is really not promising, but Let us just see what EU has to say, because EU have been consolidating lately. And okay, so this is EU. As you all can see, we had break of structure, push to the upside. After having this push to the upside, we have this area of liquidity, which is this breaker block. We have this breaker block here sleeping around here. So if we go to our 4 hours time frame, so if we come to our 4 hours time frame, you will see, you're going to see the whole of this area has been consolidating. So the whole of this area, price have not been giving us any move. Price have been doing some consolidation there. So we have the accumulation phase here, and price now is pushing down. So where are you looking at price? Where are you looking at price? I have two key levels I'll be anticipating for price to come. We have this area here. I have this fair value gap sleeping here, which is a fair value gap slash breaker, because it sleeps around the breaker block. That I will be looking at price reaction at this fair value gap, and I'll have this second key level, which is this extreme fair value gap down here, the extreme fair value gap with an order block. So the whole of this area reacts as an order block. So I have these two areas I'll be looking at price, but price might respect this breaker, because this was where we had a break of structure. So price might respect this breaker. And if you want to go to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, you get to understand that this area here can actually also act as a potential magnet to magnet price. That price can likely turn from this area and go up, because we had this gap around here. So looking on EU, this is my view on EU, but I'm highly anticipating the extreme. You know, they always say anticipate for the extreme, because price might come, price might come here, you know, manipulate, manipulate, try to buy, take liquidity, dump before, you know, giving you the real move you're expecting to see. So it depends on what you actually see on price. It depends on what you actually see on price, but then you just want to be focused on the key levels, on to see on how price is going to react on these key levels. So guys, I don't want the video to be too long. This is going to be the end of the section. Subscribe, like, and share, and we will be doing our daily market focusing as we take our trades on a daily basis. And thank you guys for watching.